In this video, we will look at new Kolorama filter in Cavalry. If you're an After Effects user, you are pretty familiar with Kolorama effects. Now you can get something very similar in Cavalry as well. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to start with a simple composition, create a background shape, and in this case, I'm just going to add a noise shader. So this is a simple noise. Let's make it a little bit more contrasty. Perfect. So how does the Kolorama works? Now, once you install Kolorama in Cavalry, you should see it inside your filters menu. So let's add it, and right now you don't see much going on. So let's have a look at the controllers. We've got two main tabs. The first one essentially allows us to control how many times Kolorama is applied, essentially cycles, and the gradient tab allows us to map gradient colors to the underlying image. So I'm going to create a new gradient from my color palette. Perfect. So this is my gradient, and as you can see, our black and white noise shader has been essentially recolored according to these colors. When I press play, we can see everything responds nicely to these colors. You can easily customize it by moving these stops around, so the whole thing behaves like a gradient map. Now, the one thing that makes it different from the gradient map is that we can increase number of cycles, essentially how many times this gradient is applied to our underlying image. So this allows us to create more interesting designs. For example, let me apply it 4 times, and we can easily animate the face offset. So I can put something like a frame here, press play, and our gradient will animate and change colors at the same time. So let's see how Kolorama works with a simple image. I'm going to reuse the previous Kolorama. I just added extra yellow stop over here. Just going to pin it and open my image layer and drop the Kolorama into the filters tab. So as you can see, we've got quite complex looking image pretty much straight out of the box. If I add another frame behavior to the face, maybe increase the value, press play, and we've got this psychedelic looking effect going on. We can easily change number of cycles, increase it, and go really crazy with it. And that will make some unusual effects, essentially a digital noise going on here. So I'm going to keep it to something manageable, like maybe 5. Now, this filter allows you to essentially fade in and out if you want to dial down the intensity of this effect, but also it will work with any other filters, like for example, dithering. So we can achieve this retro looking like image very, very quickly with just 2 layers, Colorama and dithering with basic settings. So hopefully you can use this filter to make some really weird and colorful looking animations in Cavalry much easier. Thanks for watching.